In today's digital age, protecting sensitive information is more crucial than ever. With cyber threats looming around every corner, cybersecurity experts are turning to innovative solutions to safeguard user data. One such solution? Python-powered blockchain technology. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into Python for cybersecurity, exploring how blockchain technology can be harnessed to fortify the security of Google, Apple, Meta, formerly Facebook, and Microsoft accounts. Let's get started. First, let's understand the basics. Blockchain is a decentralized, immutable ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, ensuring data integrity and security. Now, how can we leverage Python to build blockchain software tailored for cybersecurity? Let's break it down. We'll develop a Python script that interacts with blockchain APIs to prevent unauthorized access and scan for potential threats in accounts belonging to tech giants like Google, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft. Here's a snippet of our Python code in action. We're utilizing libraries like PyCrypto for cryptographic operations and requests for HTTP requests to blockchain APIs. Our script authenticates users' access requests by verifying their identity through blockchain-based digital signatures. This ensures that only authorized individuals can access sensitive accounts, thwarting potential cyber attacks. We've implemented a scanning mechanism that continuously monitors account activities, detecting any suspicious behavior or unauthorized access attempts. By integrating Python with blockchain technology, we're bolstering the security of Google, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft accounts, safeguarding user data against cyber threats such as phishing, hacking, and identity theft. And there you have it, Python for cybersecurity, building blockchain software to protect the digital assets of tech giants. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on cybersecurity and cutting-edge technologies. Until next time, stay safe and secure. Thank you for watching. For